Here's a quick way to update your Salesforce Lightning knowledge bases right from within RoboHelp itself. No plugins are necessary. Just configure your RoboHelp output with a simple email account and password and publish directly. Lightning Knowledge gives you a high-powered yet streamlined way to manage your knowledge base. With a robust knowledge base, customers receive service faster or even solve their own issues. The RoboHelp author prepares the article content and publishes right from within RoboHelp itself. Salesforce uses data categories to classify articles and make them easier to find. The RoboHelp author can create meta tags to facilitate the search. Let's take a look at how it's set up in RoboHelp. Note that in the Contents panel of RoboHelp, the folders and topics are arranged by category, section, and article to facilitate the Salesforce data structure. I'll click the plus sign to create a new table of contents. Now our table of contents is set. We'll add search keywords to prime the pump of the Salesforce search engine results. Next, we create an output preset with a type of content only because Salesforce is XML-based. Then we select the Salesforce knowledge base from the Target drop-down menu and browse to an output folder. From the Edit menu, we select Publish Profiles. This is where we point to the Salesforce server. Record types are pre-configured by Salesforce in templates to help you display content in the structure you would like. In Salesforce, there's a concept of categories, which you can configure on its website beforehand. It is in a hierarchical tree to organize your content. It also governs who can view these articles based on these categories. Once configured, we can click the Publish icon to send it directly to the Salesforce site with one click. From there, we open up the Salesforce knowledge base and click on our RoboHelp article to view it. Here's the topic article with the styling provided as well. We can also search for any attached files the RoboHelp author has assigned to these topic articles. These can be PDFs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the like. Adobe RoboHelp, helping agents help customers quicker. For a personalized demo or questions, please write to us, techcom@adobe.com.